Welcome to Shep Rambles, where I am Shep and I tend to ramble about what? Anything and everything. We're going to talk about some financial stuff. Stocks, to be in particular. Stocks is something that I follow. I do own stocks in some companies. Once in a while I'll get like a stock option, whether it's a call option or a put option. It just depends. And yeah, I've made a little bit of money and I've also lost money. That's just kind of how it goes. But for those of you who are interested in the market, or just kind of curious about what happens, there is this company here called Luckin Coffee. And I've always found this name rather interesting because the name Luckin, it kind of sounds like something else, but I know I've just seen this name here and there once in a while, and then this came up in regards to their stock tumbling because they decided to fight their delisting. Now I found this interesting because there have been some other stocks out there that are on the verge of getting delisted. Hertz Rent-A-Car is one that has been really suffering business-wise because of the thing that shall not be named that is going around the world. Because of that, their business has been suffering pretty badly, and their stock has gone down, and I think they're have received warnings that they'll be delisted. And I do have a few shares, not a lot, but a few shares with them. So Luckin Coffee is embroiled in an accounting scandal that it said Friday that it no longer plans to fight the NASDAQ's decision to delist the company, and it caused the stock to lose more than half of its value. Now, I took a screenshot of the most recent look. And you can see here, this is a 5-year outlook here. But it started off here around $18, and it shot way up here in 2020, as a matter of fact. Right towards the beginning, everything was doing well. And then, the thing that shall not be named happened, and then everything just kind of went to heck. But yeah, it suffered really badly. It gone from $50 to now $1. It's like down $3. It's like around $1 now. It has suffered really bad. So Luckin's American depository shares will be suspended as of Monday, June 29. That's today. According to a statement, the NASDAQ will thereafter file a Form 25 with the SEC, and after 10 days, Luckin stock will officially be delisted. Luckin said it notified the exchange on June 24 that it planned to no longer seek to reverse or stay the NASDAQ's decision to delist the company. Luckin did not disclose why it changed its mind. Luckin stock fell 54% to $1.38 in Friday trading. The delisting comes more than 1 year since Luckin went public on the NASDAQ in May 2019. So see, not every company that goes public does well. Let's see, Uber. Yeah, it was Uber and Lyft. They had gone public. They didn't do so well. I had bought like a couple of shares with each of them. Fortunately, I was able to sell the Uber stuff back and get a little bit of money back. Lyft is still losing money for me. So the company had raised $571 million after pricing its IPO at $17 a share. Since then, the stock hit a high of $50.02 as recently as January. So yeah, beginning of this year, but has since dropped 97% to its current $1.38 price. This was founded in 2017. Luckin is China's second largest coffee chain and challenged Starbucks' long-held dominance of that nation's freshly brewed coffee market. Luckin in April revealed that certain employees faked transactions from second quarter to fourth quarter 2019 that resulted in more than $300 million of fraudulent sales. In May, the coffee company fired its chief executive officer and chief operating officer. That month, NASDAQ notified Luckin that it planned to delist the company because of its failure to disclose material information as well as public interest concerns due to its fabricated transactions. Luckin planned to fight the delisting and requested a hearing. The company received a second delisting notice earlier this month after failing to file its annual results for the year ended December 31. Luckin could not be reached for comment. No, of course not. Of course they couldn't be reached. So that is the story of Luckin Coffee. Is Luckin Coffee good? I don't know. I don't drink coffee. But I'm curious. Have you all heard about this story? Do you know about this company? Have you had their coffee? Is it better than Starbucks? Is it not better than Starbucks? Let me know what you think. Hopefully you haven't been burned if you do follow the stock market and if you do invest. Hopefully you haven't been burned on this one. If you have been, I'm so sorry. I feel your pain because I've been hit on some other things, so I understand. But anyways, let me know what y'all think about this in the comments. Let me know if you like being able to see some financial news every now and then. I don't do it all the time, just here and there, things that I just happen to find interesting. And if you do like this episode, and if you do like the series, consider leaving a like, thumbs up. That I would appreciate it. That helps me out. Subscribe if you're brand new here, and ring the notification bell so that way you get notified of new rambling episodes that come up. Typically it's going to be like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but they might be every day. Depends upon how much stuff I happen to find. And then there is social media and streaming. All that information is sitting there right below me, as well as in the description. So go check all that out. And I am on Patreon. So if you are able to donate and help support what it is that I do, I would greatly appreciate it. You've got some bonuses and rewards just waiting for you. So if you decide to be a patron subscriber. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you on the next rambling video. Have a killer awesome day.